Zack Gomes, and here we're going to use some mental math with the rounding technique to figure out how to fill up my tank with gas. So I knew when I pulled in that I needed about roughly a half a tank of gas, and I know that my tank is 10 gallons, so half of 10 is 5. Now the gas price here is $3.36, so I'm going to round that up to $3.40 to make it a little easier on us. So then we know that 3 times 5 is 15, plus the 40 cents will get you roughly around $18. And that's how you figure out how much gas you need by rounding. How was that?
I don't know if I stopped it. No, I didn't.
Alright, I'm Zack Gomes, and we're here working on the cluster method to figure out how much money we're going to need to buy these. So the chips are $3.79, and the French onion dip, very delicious, is $3.19, and our salsa is $3.29. So for the clustering model, we know that they're all around $3. So what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply 3 times the amount of objects we have, 3 in this case, so 3 times 3 is 9. So we're roughly going to need around $9 to pay for all of these. So I'm Zack Gomes here, and we're here going to learn how to do some mental math with adding nice numbers. So I have this Rubbermaid, these two containers. Now this is $6, and this is $4, and then this is $2, these plates, and then this is $8. Now I want to try and figure out how much all of these cost together. So what I'm going to do is I know that 6 plus 4 is 10, which is what I got here in my right hand. And I know 8 plus 2 is 10. So I know then that 10 plus 10 is 20, so these are going to be roughly $20. Or not roughly, they are going to be $20. Alright, so we're here today, and we're going to do some mental math, adding from left to right. So we know that our t-shirt here is $12, and our pair of jeans is $25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 10 to 20, add 10 plus 20 because that's both of the tens places, and that gives you 30. And then I have $2 left and $7 left, or $5 left, which then equals 7, and then I will add the 30 plus the 7, and that'll give us $37 for our outfit. Alright, so I'm here, and we're going to do another mental math video, this time with the breaking off and bridging method for mental math. So I got my 2 DVDs here. This one's 15, and this one is 18. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 18, and I'm going to add 10. So I get 18 plus 10 equals 28. Now I'm going to take that 28, because I still have $5 left over from this movie. So I'm going to add the 28 to the 5 and get 33. So these movies are going to cost $33. Alright, I'm here today, and we're going to do making compatible numbers to make mental math easier. So I got my Skylanders here. This guy is $15, and these two are 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 30 to 10 and get 40, and then I still have 5 left over, so I'm going to add 40 with the 5 to make 45. Alright, hi, I'm Zach, and we're going to talk about the divisibility tests, and we're going to use this vinyl player as an example here. And I want to know if I wanted to get a bunch of guys together, if we could buy this with all paying even amount of money. So to start out, we'll do if it was 4 of us. If it was 4 of us, what we're going to do is we're going to take 119, which is what it costs, and add up the last two digits. So the digits the closest to the right. So in this case, it would be the 9 and then the 1. So we'd add that together, and that equals 10. And 10 does not go into 4. 4 does not go into 10. So the number will not be divisible by 4. So we can't evenly go into 4. Now, let's say I get 4 more guys together because I want to see if 8 of us can get it. And it's going to be the same process. So 9 plus 1 is going to be 10, and 8 does not go into 10. So 8 of us cannot buy this with us all paying even amount of money. Next test we're going to do is for 3. So I kicked 5 of them out. And for 3, we're going to add up all 3 digits and then add them together and see if they're divisible by 3. Now, I'm going to do that, and it's going to be 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 9 is 11. 3 does not go into 11 either, so therefore 3 of us cannot pay for it evenly. Now I'm going to do 9, and 9 is the same test, except use 9 to see if it's divisible or not. So again, we have 11, and excuse me. So 9 does not go into 11, so 9 of us can also not buy. And our last test is 11. And now how 11 works is you're going to add each place. You're going to, not each place, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 9 from the ones place and then the hundreds place. So I'm going to add the 9 and the 1 in the hundreds place to get 10, and then subtract it from the tens place, so which equals 9, and 11 obviously does not go into 9. So this number will not divide by 11. And so that's the divisibility test. So this I would have to go out and buy by myself because it's a prime number.